Hello, beautiful people. This is Debra, aka Didi Charles here, and tonight I am back at you to talk about 5 D's or don'ts to avoid in your network marketing business so that you won't encounter any of these pitfalls. Okay, but before we get started, I want to say thank you again for coming by my Facebook Live. And if this is your first time seeing me on video, then go ahead over on YouTube. If you're watching me over there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so when I come on to do these videos, I won't miss you and you won't miss me. And just in case you're seeing me over on Facebook, then go ahead and give me some thumbs up, give me some hearts and love, and leave me a message below to let me know that you are resonating with what I'm talking about on this Facebook Live. Okay, so the first D that I want to talk about is don't hype up your services or the things that you are offering to people. Don't make promises like I guarantee you that you can make $1,000 in 2 days, or you can make X amount of dollars in so many days, or you can lose weight in 5 minutes, or all that. Do not make that kind of hyped up stuff, because it will come back to bite you, because people have to put in the work in order for things to go right for them in a business or whatever, losing weight or business or whatever. And you don't want to hype them up to think that, all of this is just some grow by night things. You want to be really honest and have integrity when you're dealing with people. The next thing is don't exaggerate, which goes with the hype too. Don't exaggerate what you're making. Okay, we see a lot of people that are doing these money claims online and saying that, hey, I make all this money. I made $1 million, and so now that I make these $1 million, I'm a guru and all of that kind of hyped up stuff. They did it like 3 days later after they joined the business. Do not exaggerate, because you don't want people to find out that you're actually lying. That's all to it. You don't want to be coming off as someone that's is a liar. So you want to do things that are, within the norm, and that you don't have to hype it up and make, exaggerate about it. The next thing you don't want to do is you don't want to tell people, oh, it's so easy. It's so easy to do. All you got to do is just, come in and sign your paperwork and get started, and then, girl, it's just gonna blow up overnight. No. Don't tell people that. Don't hype that up either. Tell them the things that you can tell them is that it can be rough, but if you apply yourself, be committed, and stay focused, you can make your business grow. But never tell them that it's that easy, because there are people that really want to make a business, and sometimes to grow a business, and sometimes when we hype stuff up like that to them, it knocks them down, and they feel like that they can't do it. So you want to be honest there and tell them, hey, you're gonna hit some bumps in the road, but listen, it's a learning process, and you can get it done, and you can have you can meet the goals that you want to do, but you got to do some work. Okay. The next one you want to do is don't focus on money. Don't focus on making the money so much. Of course, we all are on this platform to make money, but don't make that your whole thoughts be about making the money. But think about the mission, because not everyone that comes to you and say, hey, I want to join your business or want your opportunity want to be in a business. They just may want to be free from the job that they're on, or whatever the case may be. It might be a single mother who's wanting to make an extra $500 or $600 a month, and that's a freedom amount for her. So she wants to come in and and just make that $500 so she can free herself to be at home with her children. Or it might be a older person who just want to supplement their income, and they want they might be still working on a job at 60, 65. After 65, they just may want to add a little bit more on there to free, that will give them the freedom so they won't have to be out working. So you don't want to say it's a income opportunity, but you want to present it to them like it's a freedom opportunity. You could be free from some of the struggles that you're having, and then that helps you to take care of the pain that they have there. The next one, don't spam people. Please don't spam people, because that is the quickest way that you would get people not liking you and don't want to build a relationship with you. Because when you go in people inboxes and you spamming them and you sending things that they didn't ask for, or if they did decide to come in their inbox and just they want to have conversation with you and build the relationship, and all you want to do is tell them how good your company is, and how they can make this amount of dollars and that amount of dollars. That puts a sour taste in people's mouths. So people are not on Facebook to be sold to, but they are here to they want to be entertained. They want to build relationship with people, because that's the platform that it was built for, to build relationship. And once you build a relationship with a person, they get to know, like, and trust you. So you don't have to do all of that spamming and to get their attention. You just provide value, and provide the value well enough that it covers their pain point. Then they will come to you if you just provide the value. The last one is, don't forget where you came from. And what I'm meaning by that, a lot of times I've heard a lot of people, they say, well, I used to be this way, but now that I'm doing this and have made this amount of money, and now I'm a guru. I'm just saying that guru. I'm not saying nobody said that, but a guru with it. But you want to not stay stuck in the now, but you want to move on over into the how. The how of your business, how you made it this far with what you had or you didn't have, and you made it so that you can be a witness, and you can come and tell other people that it's a way that you can do this thing. You could learn this marketing way to market your business and stuff, so that you can step into the realm where I am, and not necessarily tell people, well, now that I've done it, now that I've did this, but tell them how you did it, and so that will let them know that they can do it too. So guys, I hope you have got some value from these don'ts that I just discussed with you, and I hope that you can share this information with someone else that you might think needs to hear it, or whatever the case may be. But this has been your girl Debra Charles down here in Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and I just want to say again, I appreciate you for coming by my live tonight, and go ahead again and hit that notification bell, and that smash that look, I got confused. Smash the subscribe button. You know what I'm trying to say. The subscribe button, so that when I come on again tomorrow night, you will be on here to hear me stumbling and going on, because that's just me, and telling you about, giving you all the goods on the things that we can talk about to grow our businesses online. Below this video, guys, I will leave a link to the #1 way that I make income online. And also, I'm going to leave some tools, because we do have to have tools with marketing our business. So those tools will be there too. So guys, I hope you have a good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.